Welcome to Kanama Cooks. Today we are making a fun recipe, the Chettinad style Saiva Meen Kuzhambu. It is nothing but a mock fish curry made with cowpea. This curry is usually served with rice for lunch, and here is how to do it. We will be using thatta payir, the cowpea brown variety, for making the mock fish steaks. It's a very hearty lentil and is very delicious as a patty. Add the cowpea to a bowl. Add some water to the cowpea. Soak the cowpea overnight in water. The cowpea should have swollen after the soaking and is now ready to be made into steaks. Drain the water from the cowpea and add it to a mixie jar. Add little fennel seeds, some garlic cloves, red chilli powder, and some salt. Grind this mixture to a paste. Try not to add any water while grinding. Add few tablespoons of water if the mixie won't budge, and make sure that the paste remains thick. Pulse several times to achieve the smooth texture. Apply little oil to the banana leaf. Traditionally, the paste is steamed in a local leaf available in Chettinad called the ledjakettakkeerai. It just means shameless leaf. I am not sure of the reason behind such a funny name. Today I will be using banana leaves for steaming the paste. If you cannot find banana leaves, you can even use parchment paper as a substitute. Apply the ground paste and spread it into a rectangle. Cover the leaf gently over the paste. Place the leaf in a steamer and steam for about 15 minutes. Once the paste has been fully cooked, remove the leaf from the steamer and place it on a cutting board. Cut the cooked paste into roughly about 1-inch cubes. Our cowpea patties are now ready. They should be firm to touch and hold its shape well. Add some vegetable oil to a frying pan. Place the cooked cowpea patties in oil and cook for about a minute on each side. The patty should become nice and crisp. It should also brown on the edges. Use a fork to turn the patties and make sure to cook on both sides. Once the patties are roasted and ready, remove and set aside in a bowl. Do not drain the patties on a paper towel. The oil will add a nice richness to the kuzhambu. Now let's assemble the kuzhambu. Add some sesame oil to a kadai. Add in the mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, and some curry leaves. Let the mustard seeds crackle. Add in the chopped onions and fry till the onions are nice and soft and starting to brown. Add in the chopped tomatoes and the salt. Mix well to combine. Cover the tomatoes with a lid and let it cook till the tomatoes are mushy. At this stage, add in the sambar powder, chilli powder, and coriander powder. Saute for a few seconds. We will now make tamarind pulp for the curry. Soak a lime-sized tamarind in a cup of hot water for about 20 minutes. Squeeze the tamarind to extract the pulp. Discard the seeds and the pith. Add in the tamarind pulp to the curry. Mix well. Add about a cup of water to the curry. Mix again. Cover the pan with a lid and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Our curry should be well cooked after 10 minutes of simmering. At this stage, add in the fried cubes of cowpea to the curry. Let the curry simmer for a couple of minutes more. Our delicious Saiva Meen Kuzhambu is now ready. Serve hot with rice. Hope you liked the recipe. Until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye bye.